One of the themes in this exhibition is around code. I'm standing in front of a display that's about the Liberator, the 3D printed gun. Something that's remarkable about it is that it is a weapon distributed by code. They're called feasible objects, a physical object that can be transmitted through code and then printed out. What the Liberator suggests is this future in which weaponry can be distributed freely through internet sites and so on. There are many other ways of making weapons very similar to the Liberator that are at least as functional or as deadly as the Liberator. So people have been making zip guns for almost as long as we've had weapons. Zip guns are homemade guns. All you really need is a spring and a pin in order to fire a bullet. In that case, what spreads the gun is knowledge. So knowledge in this way functions as a kind of code. Blockchain is the proposal that led to Bitcoin. And in its utopian ideals, there is the suggestion that we could do away with the problematic issues around trust and authority by replacing it with code. And we can't really ever get away from those tricky human issues. Code is very unlikely to be able to replace trust. While blockchain was intended as an antidote to business as usual and normal financial systems, which we could see as being violent in their effects upon inequality, actually many banks and large-scale institutions are looking to blockchain as a technology that they can use to make their systems function better. Another exhibit we have that explores code is Stuxnet. So Stuxnet was the computer virus that was infiltrated into Iran's nuclear plants and caused the machines to self-destruct. Probably originates with the US and Israel, though the authors are unknown. And it's one of the first examples of weaponized code. So in this exhibition, it suggests what will probably be an increasing future in which code itself becomes a weapon as more and more of our technology relies on it. Something that we'd like visitors to take away from the exhibition about code is probably to see code as not just literally in computer software or programming languages, but also to think of tacit knowledge or knowledge that we pass through word of mouth also as a kind of a code. And perhaps even further to think of the software that binds us together, which is ideas and ideologies and knowledge. That too is a kind of code that informs our design and our relationship to violence.